Hi guys, welcome back to how to improve the sense of speed. In a previous video, I shared 3 tricks to improve the sense of speed and how to apply those tricks in pre- and post-production. If you haven't learned that yet, just click the upper right corner to have a watch. Back to today, let's study 2 more tricks and how to apply them in edits. Hopefully, this can help inspire your creation. In the first place, let's understand how to bring several shots of brief duration into a faster cut video. Whenever you want to improve the sense of speed, don't add a long take directly, cause it may bore your audience. On the contrary, use a faster cut video that's composed of several short clips. These may be captured by using different types of shots and camera angles. They are motion blur shots. Shots of the road with the surroundings changing over time. They can bring us a strong sense of speed and impact. Here's an example. This faster cut video is composed of several shots that were captured using different types of shots and camera angles. As for this segment, we can find close-ups of the driver, motion blur from tunnel lights and the road. Inspired by this, we can use the shots captured with different camera shot sizes and angles to build a sense of speed. Reaction shots also matters for building a sense of speed. Take this video as an example. After the car starts moving, the glass is shattered, the winch shakes like crazy, and the oil is shaken down. They can give the audience the most immersive viewing experience. Have a look at this clip. The reactions look exaggerated and impactful. All of these are trying to tell the audience the motorcycle is full of power and it runs fast. Thus, when editing a motorcycle video, I'll prepare the shots of the tachometer engine, flying dust, and the shaking yellow plants. Open VideoProc Vlogger. Create a new project. Adding the prepared footage to the program. In the first place, I'll put these shots taken with different camera shot sizes and angles into the video track. Adjust their durations by turn. Give it caution. When editing, we need to make the motion in the picture feel smooth and natural, while keeping these shots in rhythm. After that, let's add some reaction shots. For example, add the shots of the tachometer engine after the moving of the motorcycle. Changing the duration. Let's go to this point. The motorcycle jumps. And add a clip showing flying dust. Then we add this. The plants are swinging. Give a caution. We need to make their duration as short as possible for making a fast cutting sequence. After that, let's change the speed for some of them. For example, the speed of this clip feels too slow. So I'll find this speed icon. Click on it to open a speed editor panel. Here we have some presets to choose from. Select the preferred speed curve. The software can generate keyframes automatically. We can then drag them by turn to tweak the speed. When we are satisfied with the outcome, take a preview. Click on Apply to apply the adjustments. Next, let's edit this clip and select a different curve speed preset for it. Adjust the position and speed for these keyframes to add a professional touch. Afterward, let's go back to the main interface. Surely, there are some shots that we only need to adjust the overall speed. We can select it. Go to the Inspector panel to find the Play Speed section. We can directly select a volume, or click Custom to edit the desired volume. Now we're done editing the visual parts of this video. Aside, don't forget to add proper music and a sound effect. First, let's drag the music into the audio track, changing its length. Then we go to the Inspector panel and adjust its volume. Add a fade out effect. Next, we click the plus icon on the very left of the audio track to add 2 audio tracks. Add the sound effect to the proper position. That's all for editing the video. Check the final work. Alright, that's all for today's tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want to learn how to do more fancy effects. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye!